Our question was 5C, and it was number 4. The question is, the graph of f of x equals x squared is transformed to the graph of g of x by a reflection and a translation as illustrated in the diagram alongside. Find the formula for g of x in the form g of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So in our diagram, we can see the parent function of f of x is a normal quadratic. And then for our transformed and reflected graph, we've been shown that the vertex changes and it moves left 3 and up 2. So those qualities are going to apply to the rest of our graph. So the graph at the beginning of the first translation of moving left 3 will look something like this, of g of x equals x plus 3 squared. So that's our first step. For our second step, we have Panos.
So the first thing we do is we flip the graph. As it is now just about there, we add a negative to the beginning of the equation to flip it to look like this. Once we've done that, we add a 2 to shift it up 2, which puts it at that position right there, which is our answer. But of course we need to keep the whole equation in parentheses because the whole equation is flipped.
And for the third step, you have to put it in standard form, so we use PEMDAS to do that. First you do in the innermost parentheses, so you square the x plus 3. That's a perfect square, so it becomes x squared plus 6x plus 9. And then you add 2. Yes, then you distribute the negative. Okay, negative x squared minus 6x minus 9, then that minus 2. And then that becomes negative x squared minus 6x minus 9, minus 11. And that's the answer.